Now, in chapter number 12, topic number 12.5.2, here IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. We will discuss here IUPAC nomenclature of alkane. Here mainly four parts are there. So, condition 1, straight chain hydrocarbon, which is already completed here. Now we will discuss here branch chain hydrocarbon. Now we will discuss here branch chain hydrocarbon. In case of C, branch chain hydrocarbon, in branch chain compound, small chains of carbon atoms are attached at one or more carbon atom of parent chain. Clear? Here in case of branch chain, what will happen? In branch chain compound, small chains of carbon atoms are attached at one or more carbon atom of parent chain. The small carbon chains are called alkyl group. In case of branch one we can say that long chain, and second one we can say that here small chain. One we can say that long and second one is small chain. The long chain compound is normally known as parent chain, while branches, which is again we can say that smaller as compared to main chain, is normally known as alkyl group. For example, see, this is CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So this one is, we can say that main chain. This one is main chain and this one is branch chain. इसको हम लोग मिथाइल बोलते हैं. तो this one is मिथाइल. एक कार्बन है तो मिथाइल. Again I am repeating, CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. It is normally known as main chain or parent chain. ये दिया है ना. It is normally known as parent chain, and CH3. So this CH3 is known as alkyl group. Clear? Similarly, see here CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. So this one is again we can say that here parent chain. And then see, this one is methyl and this one is ethyl. इसको हम लोग अल्काइल ग्रुप बोलते हैं. So इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? मिथाइल. एंड दिस वन इज इथाइल. दो कार्बन होता है तो इथाइल, एक कार्बन होता है तो मिथाइल इज देयर. क्लियर? नाउ in order to name such compound, the name of alkyl groups are prefixed. Name of alkyl group are prefixed to the name of parent alkane. Clear हुआ? In order to name such compound, the name of alkyl groups are prefixed to the name of parent alkane. Clear? An alkyl group is derived from a saturated hydrocarbon. An alkyl group is derived from a saturated hydrocarbon by removing a hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom from carbon. See, an alkyl group is derived from a saturated hydrocarbon by removing a hydrogen atom from carbon. Carbon से hydrogen हटा देने का. Clear? So thus CH4 becomes CH3 and is known as methyl group. CH4 become, here we can say that CH3, and it is normally known as methyl group. An alkyl group is named by substituting YL. An alkyl group is named by substituting YL for N in the corresponding alkane. So some alkyl groups are listed here. जैसे मीथेन से मिथाइल आएगा, है ना. मीथेन से here we can say that methyl will come. Ethane से here we can say that ethyl will come. मीथेन से मिथाइल and ethane से ethyl. मीथेन से मिथाइल आता है, ईथेन से इथाइल आएगा, and propane is converted into propyl. Then after butane is converted into butyl. Similarly, pentane is converted into pentyl and hexane is converted into hexyl. And then after heptane, so we can say that heptyl will come, and octane say octyl, and nonane say nonyl, and decane say decyl. In short, in case of branch and hydrocarbon, here means one formula will be alkane and second will be alkyl. Clear? Here we can say that alkyl will come. So what is meaning of YL? YL, तो YL का मतलब होता है one hydrogen is less as compared to parent molecule. Here we can say that one hydrogen is less as compared to parent molecule. Clear? फिर जैसे मीथेन है तो मीथेन से मिथाइल है ना, इथेन से इथाइल, same type of thing we had already discussed here. And you have to remember one thing. See, for example, जैसे ये मीथेन, ये क्या है? तो this one is मीथेन, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं this one is मीथेन. वन हाइड्रोजन रिमूव कर दो तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा CH. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? This is methyl. Here reactivity will be more and stability will be less. Here reactivity will be more and here we can say the stability will be less. And here p orbital is vacant. So here we can say that p orbital is vacant. So due to high reactive nature, normally what will happen? It will always try to become stable. Therefore, here some new material will come, which is normally known as functional group. Clear? So this one is nothing but it is normally known as functional group. So here, how many functional groups are there? तो उसमें फिर आएगा हाइड्रोकार्बन, मीन्स रिलेटेड विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अल्केन, अल्कीन, अल्काइन. ये देखो ये O1 फैमिली है, इसके अंदर अल्कोहल, फिनॉल, ईथर. फिर ऐसे ये O2 फैमिली है, RCOH, RCOR and RCOH will be there. इसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. तो दिस वन इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. क्लियर? उसके बाद आता है नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. हियर मींस RNH2, RNO2, RCN, RNC will come. And then after X, हेलोजन. फ्लोराइड है, क्लोराइड है, ब्रोमाइड है, आयोडाइड है. Clear? In case of functional group, here these many functional groups are there. Which one? O1 में alcohol, phenol, ether. O2 में aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. And carboxylic के case में some derivative will also come. So 4 different type of derivative will come. And in case of nitrogen, here is amine, nitro, cyanide, isocyanide will come. Similarly, in case of X, here fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide will come. Clear? So these many functional group we can place here. तो आपको याद रखना है here stability of alkane. Here we can say that stability of alkane will be always less. Stability of alkane will be more. Stability of alkane will be more. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? Here stability of alkane will be more, but reactivity will be less. इसलिए to increase reactivity है ना, to increase reactive nature, Here we are replacing out one hydrogen. Clear? Now see, abbreviation, see here, the abbreviation are used for some alkyl group. Abbreviation are used for some alkyl group. For example, Ame, तो Ame को हम लोग मिथाइल बोलते हैं. Ame means मिथाइल, and Et means ethyl, Pr means propyl, and Bu means butyl. So many times what will happen, whenever we are writing some structure, then in that condition here CH3 will be not written. जैसे देखो ये है बेंजीन, तो OCH3 इसका नाम है एमीसॉल. यहाँ पे ऐसे क्या लिखते हैं OMe. तो व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ Me? तो Me का मतलब होता है मिथाइल. क्लियर? ऐसे ही देखो ये बेंजीन के ऊपर OCH2CH3, अब ये OCH2CH3 इसका नाम है फेनिटॉल. दिस वन इज फेनिटॉल. Here means after using abbreviation OET will come. So ET is nothing but it is normally known as ethyl. Clear? समझ में आया कि नहीं? मतलब या तो आप CH2CH3 लिखो, या तो ऐसा ET, या तो CH3 लिखो, और we can say that M is there. Clear? Now the alkyl groups can be branch also. The alkyl group can be branch also. Thus propyl and butyl, है ना? Here we can say that propyl as well as butyl groups can have branch structure as shown below. Because see, if number of carbon is 1, then branching is not possible. In case of number of carbon 1, देखो मीथेन है, C, मीथेन तो CH4, clear? And then after ethane तो CH, H. In case of methane and ethane, here we can say that branching is not possible. But in case of propane, देखो ये क्या है? तो this one is propane. तो this one is propane. Here branching is possible. मतलब see, in case of methane and ethane, branching is not possible. But in case of propane and butane, branching is possible. इसी को हम लोग बोलते हैं, here we can say that isopropyl. This one is isopropyl. This one is sec butyl. It is normally known as sec. तो sec क्यों होता है? देखो यहाँ, here we can say that two, है ना? Chain will be there. And then after see, similarly, this is sec butyl, and then after isobutyl will come. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? तो दिस वन इज अगेन मींस आइसोब्यूटाइल. देख आइसो का मतलब कैसा होता है? हियर इन केस ऑफ आइसो, स्पेशली व्हेनेवर वी कैन से दैट आइसो वर्ड विल कम. तो आइसो मतलब वन ब्रांच. सी आइसो, तो आइसो का मतलब होता है ब्रांच. ओनली वी कैन से दैट ब्रांच विल बी वन, and position of this branch will be always at C2. Position of this branch will be always, we can say that at C2. Similarly, tertiary butyl will come. Here, tertiary butyl. देखो tertiary कैसा है? CH3, CH3, CH3. So this is normally known as tertiary butyl will come. And same condition here, neopentyl. How many carbon? 5. So this one is normally known as neopentyl. Clear? Again I am repeating. See, in case of branching, the alkyl groups can be branch also. The alkyl group can be branch also. Thus propyl and butyl can have branch structure as shown below. देखो ये isopropyl है, ये sec butyl है, ये isobutyl है, tertiary, and neo will be there. See, in case of neo, you have to remember here type of, we can say, branching. And whenever we are writing alkyl, then in that condition calculate total number of carbon. Not we can say that main chain or parent chain. In case of branching, calculate total number of carbon. For example, see, if we are writing iso, then here 1, 2, 3. So we have to consider all carbon. We have to consider, here we can say that all carbon. In case of branching, consider all carbon. See, for example, iso, here we can say that isobutyl. So CH3, CH, CH2 and CH3 will be there. तो इसको लिखने जाओ तो ये है पेरेंट चेन, ये क्या है, तो दिस वन इज पेरेंट चेन एंड दिस वन इज ब्रांचिंग. वन इज पेरेंट चेन एंड सेकंड वन इज ब्रांचिंग. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, आपको पेरेंट और ब्रांच को अलग नहीं करना है, आपको टोटल कर देने का. तो टोटल में हाउ मेनी कार्बन, 1 2 3 4, 4 है, इसलिए इसको क्या लिखेंगे, आइसो ब्यूटाइल. यहाँ पे फिर प्रोपाइल ओपाइल नहीं लिखने का. तो व्हेनेवर वी आर राइटिंग आइसो, सेक, टर्सरी एंड नियो, देन इन दैट कंडीशन कैलकुलेट ऑल कार्बन. जैसे यहाँ देखो हाउ मेनी कार्बन, 1 2 3 4 5. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर राइटिंग हियर इज पेंटाइल. That's why we are writing here, we can say that pentyl. Now common branch group, here common branch group have specific trivial name. Common branch group has specific trivial name. For example, the propyl group can either be normal propyl group or isopropyl group. Common branch group have specific trivial name. For example, the propyl group can either be normal propyl group or isopropyl group will be there. Clear? The branch butyl groups are known as sec butyl. Here we are writing sec butyl, isobutyl and tertiary butyl group. Clear हुआ कि नहीं? In case of butyl, the branch butyl groups are known as, here we can say that branch butyl group is known as, here we can say that sec butyl, then after isobutyl and then after tertiary butyl group. In case of branch butyl, 3 different type of word we are using. Sec है, iso है and tertiary butyl group. Clear? We also encounter the structural unit CH2, CH2C, CH3 thrice, which is known as neopentyl. अब ये नियो कैसे हुआ, C, तो CH3, CH3, CH3 and then after this one will be there. देखो ये जो सेंट्रल कार्बन है, सेंट्रल कार्बन ये, तो ये आपका इधर लिखा हुआ है C, CH3 था 1 2 3 and CH2 is there. Clear? So this one is nothing but it is normally known as neopentyl. In this way, whenever we are discussing, see, naming with respect to branch hydrocarbon, then here 2 things are important. One we can say that parent chain and second one is branch one. Clear? But branching is not possible whenever number of carbon is 1 as well as 2. Here branching is not possible whenever we can say that number of carbon will be 1 as well as we can say that 2 is there. Means branching is possible if number of carbon is 3 and number of carbon is 3 as well as 4. Here we can say that branching is possible if number of carbon is again we can say that 3 and as well as we can say that here means 4 is there. Clear? In case of any hydrocarbon compound, here means 2 things are there. One we can say that parent one and second one is branch one. One we can say that parent compound and second one is branch one. In case of branching on the basis of position of alkyl group or arrangement, here three different type of word we are using. One is sec, second one is iso, and third one we can say tertiary. One we can say that sec, second one is iso, and third one we can say that here means tertiary. Clear? तो सी इधर पे देखो आपका यू हैव टू रिमेंबर डिफरेंस इन केस ऑफ नॉर्मल आइसो एंड देन आफ्टर न्यू करेक्ट